I'm Katie Swim.
And I'm Christina Akins, and we're here to introduce you to the variety of academic support programs offered through the StAAR Center.
The StAAR Center has subject-specific tutoring for many introductory courses in math, sciences, languages, engineering, and more.
You can also meet with our writing consultants to discuss any paper or other writing project you may have, whether you want to go over a draft you've written or don't even know where to start.
What I really like about the graduate writing consultants is that they're available to you regardless of where you're at in the writing process. So when I'm just thinking of ideas and brainstorming, they're really helpful. But also if I have a more polished draft and I want another pair of eyes to look over it, they're also very willing to do that and meet me where I'm at.
Our academic coaching program can help you develop skills for academic success, such as managing your time, taking notes in class, preparing for tests, and even understanding your own learning preferences.
As a student athlete here at Tufts, my work schedule is pretty busy, so I need to be productive in the free hours that I do have. The planning skills that I've learned here carry over into other aspects of my life, such as on the football field, in the classroom, and in my work study.
Our tutors, writing consultants, and academic mentors are Tufts undergraduate and graduate students. They are highly skilled and trained in strategies for supporting fellow students.
In addition to individual meetings, be on the lookout throughout the year for writing groups, study groups, and workshops that address these topics in friendly group settings. Our programs emphasize collaboration and focus on your needs and goals as learners. They are for all Tufts students, and they're free of charge.
The StAAR Center is here to help you develop healthy academic habits and lifelong skills as you transition to college and throughout your college journey. We look forward to seeing you at the StAAR Center.